Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So this evening is going to be a pretty simple soap. As you can see, I have a lot of smaller bars here, my sun and moon bars. So when I have soap batter left over when I'm making soap, I pour the excess into these sun and moon molds, and I usually just let them build up, and I either chop these up into rough pieces and put them in the hot process, or I shred them down and put them into confetti. So I'm going to put these into confetti. So I'll bring you along, but I have a little bit of work to do because I have to turn all of this into this, and much to my surprise, I have enough to do one later on. So let's come over here and get started. So on the base, I always like to make these fun. So on the base, I'm going to be using Nurture Soap's Neon Green, which will contain all of those shreds in it. And for the top, to give a little flair, I'm going to be using Nurture Soap's Neon Purple. And because I love the scent and I want this bright and fun, I'm fragrancing this with Nurture Soap's Ginger and Lime. Love this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's really strong. If you like a really strong fragrance in your soap, that's a good one. So let's get started. I'm soaping at about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So as usual, I will bring this to a very light emulsification. Spit a little off to the top, color it, scent, and pour it. This fragrance has riced on me a couple of times. It's behaved extraordinarily well a couple of times. I think it's all dependent on your temperature and part of your recipe, I know. And mine has a lot of hard oils in it. But I'm hoping to have the extraordinary behavior. So I'm going to be cautious. So I'm going to go ahead and hand stir the colorant in, the pigments in. And I should have pre-mixed that in oil. Too late now, and I think I knew that. It's going to be a little bit hard to get this all mixed up, to get all those clumps, but I'm going to stick blend it some more. Yep, I should have pre-mixed that in oil. Alright, I think I got it. So I'm going to pour about 3/4 of my fragrance in and hope I don't get ricing. Oh, and I did. Shoot. Let's see how bad it is. Oh, it's actually stirred out. Very minimal. It's stirred out, and I'm going to stick blend this. if that rice is on occasion, it smells so good, I'm willing to work with it. And it's minor ricing. So let's get these in, stirred in before that really sets up, because I did a lot of stick blending with it. But you can see, even with all the stick blending, how well it's behaving. Oh, and you know what? I goofed. The soap man goofed. This is my regular recipe that I use to completely fill this mold, and I did not reduce it down to allow for adding embeds, so I'm going to have a few more of these Sun Moon leftovers. Totally meant to make the smaller recipe to allow for adding embeds, and it just did not cross my mind. Okay, so let's get pink on the top. Or the purple, the neon purple. Get our fragrance in, which probably will rice. Yep, it did, but it's very minor. I can definitely work with that. So let's stick blend this. Make sure those colorants are mixed and make sure the ricing's blended out. just kind of pat this down to fill in those gaps, especially on the side. And because I want this to not be quite so plain on top, let's get some peaks. And add just a few poppy seeds on top. Although I don't think they're going to show up. And so that doesn't ash over, let's squirt it with some rubbing alcohol. And I will let it sit for 5 minutes, spray it again, and put it to bed. So here we go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. All right, bye. And 12 hours later, we're back. Glass-like, shiny sides, fun colors. Let's split this in an open cut into it. And here we are. You know, one thing I will say, when these neons gel, they get darker because this didn't gel. And see how much lighter they are? If you can see that. I debated putting this in the freezer so it didn't gel, but I didn't, and I still like what we have. So let's just cut a log and see what they look, what the bars look like. And there we go. And since the other log will look the same, I'll save us a little time and cut it off camera. Other than the neon green not being quite so neon, I'm really happy with it. I mean, it is a fun looking soap, and that ginger lime fragrance is just amazing. It is amazing. I love it. Absolutely love it. So stay safe, take care of yourselves. I'll see you next week, and next week, if all goes to plan, we're going to space. If the billionaires can go to space, the rest of us should be able to as well. So see you next week. Bye.